In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a browser tab icon, also known as a favicon, to your Wix website. A favicon is that little image you see on the browser tab when you visit a website. It's a small but powerful way to make your site look professional and recognizable. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a personal portfolio, having a favicon adds a polished touch to your site and helps visitors quickly identify your brand when they have multiple tabs open. So let's walk through the process step by step to get your favicon set up on Wix. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your login credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website's dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the control center for your website, where you can manage all the important settings and features. Next, in your dashboard, look at the menu options on the side. You'll want to click on the Setup section. This section is where you'll find tools and settings to customize your website, including the favicon option we're going to use. Once you're in the Setup section, use the search bar to make finding the favicon settings quick and easy. Simply type the word Vibecon into the search bar. This will pull up any related options, so you don't have to scroll through all the settings manually. Now you should see an option for the favicon in the search results. Click on it to open the favicon settings. This is where you'll be able to upload your custom image that will appear as your browser tab icon. Before you proceed, it's important to confirm that your Wix account is on a premium plan. Wix requires a premium subscription to enable favicon customization. If you're not on a premium plan yet, you'll need to upgrade your account to access this feature. It's worth noting that a premium plan also comes with other benefits, like removing Wix ads from your website, so it's something to consider if you're aiming for a more professional look. Once you've confirmed that you have a premium plan, it's time to upload your favicon. Click the Upload button and select the image you want to use from your computer or device. Keep in mind that the ideal size for a favicon is 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels, and it's best to use a simple design that's easy to recognize even at such a small size. If your image isn't already optimized, you might want to resize or simplify it before uploading. A favicon is small, so less is more when it comes to detail. After you've uploaded your image, double-check that it looks the way you want it to. This is the image that visitors will see on their browser tabs, so make sure it's clear and represents your brand effectively. If it looks good, click the Save button to apply the changes. Once saved, your favicon will be live, and you can test it by opening your website in a browser. After refreshing the page, you should see your new favicon displayed in the Browser tab. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Wix website. This small detail can make a big difference in how your site is perceived. So great job taking this step to enhance your website's branding. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.